Okay, good morning everybody, I hope you're all doing well. Have been riding a lot recently, finally, after quite a few months of being very busy at work and with family as well. So 2019 started well with some cool rides. Last weekend, Bob, Kim and I went to Orcutt, which is a town in northern Santa Barbara County. We are scouting a ride for our club. That's going to be the March ride. Found some very cool roads. Two of them particularly were very interesting. One called Drum Canyon and one called Cat Canyon. And both are very nice. And yes, lady, it's my turn. I'm sorry. So one, it's as I was saying, Drum Canyon, and another one, Cat Canyon. Looking at the maps, they were very, very interesting roads, and they are very, very interesting roads. Amazingly, lots of. Thank you, sir. Thank you. That was very nice. And I almost stalled there. Very cool. And as I say, many drivers here in California are very, very nice and friendly to motorcycles. I really don't understand the attitude of many vloggers, motor vloggers, when they have this very aggressive attitude towards drivers. I know there is a lot of people who suck terribly driving. I already published a compilation of bad drivers, bad riders, and bad pedestrians. There is a second one in the making. But as you just saw, this guy was very nice. He saw me coming, he stopped, he let me go, which he absolutely didn't need to. And he actually looked across the intersection to tell me whether I could go or not. So it was absolutely unnecessary thing, extremely friendly. And a lot of people also, if you are lane splitting, they look at you in the mirror and they coast a little bit to the left, to the right, and let you go. There is always some jackass that does the opposite. My experience here in California is that these are very, very friendly drivers. But as I was saying earlier, so we went on this ride to try these different roads, very, very cool roads. However, I don't think they're going to work for a club ride, because the pavement on Cat Canyon and Drum Canyon is really, really bad, sadly. I published already a video with our experiences on Drum Canyon. It was super bad. I thought I was going to leave a rim there. Possibly I left a few bolts behind me, because it was really awful, the pavement. And Cat Canyon was slightly better, but anyway, they're not gonna work, because not all of us ride BMW GSs, right? So we had lots of rain these last 2 weeks, and look how green, I hope the GoPro is gonna catch well, look how green the hills are. They are so beautiful, and these were areas which were affected by the Woolsey fire, and wow, the hills are beautiful. Those hills here on the right, they are called the Simi Hills, and they split Simi Valley, which is this area here, from Oak Park and Agoura on the other side. And man, I haven't seen them this green in a long time. This is really pretty. Anyway, the subject of this video was something completely different and unrelated, which was another embarrassment that I experienced recently when dealing with my motorcycle. And this one, guys, was a very, very embarrassing one. So what happened was, the weather is a little bit chilly here. I have lived in California now, in Southern California, for I think a total of 15 years. And when you are here for a while, you become quite wimpy about the weather. I mean, any temperature below 20 Celsius or let's say 68 Fahrenheit, you start to complain about, right? So what happened was, I was going to go out on a ride with some friends, and also I'm planning to go to Death Valley next week, and I'm very excited about that, because it's going to be my first time in Death Valley in about nearly 20 years, and my first time on a motorcycle. And what happened was, I decided to install the controller to my heated liner that I can wear under the jacket. So as I'm sure you're familiar with, those liners are very common. They have a heating element, around the arms and the chest and on your back, and they work pretty well. They keep you warm, and they have a controller that you connect to the battery, to the motorcycle battery, and of course the battery provides power to the heating element within the liner. So, well, what happened was, this installation is something which is super simple, super quick. You just need to remove the seat of the bike, unplug the battery, disconnect the battery, connect the terminals of the controller, and then reconnect the battery terminals. That's it, and put the seat back. Right? This takes literally 5 minutes. Well, I managed to embarrass myself badly, and I actually got a major, huge electric shock for something completely stupid that I did. I can only blame myself. So as I was connecting the positive terminal of the battery back, I was using a very long, which is a stupid thing, right? You need to use a wrench, but I decided to use a very long screwdriver with a long stem. And not only that, I was barefoot in the garage. My wife had driven her car in and out, so the floor of the garage was wet, which of course just helps the conduction of electricity. And I was inadvertently touching the stem, the metal part of the screwdriver, with my fingers. And then I leaned the screwdriver a little bit and I connected the positive terminal of the battery with the frame of the motorcycle. Quite stupid, right? Oh, that's a beautiful Porsche. Wow. Beautiful. We were standing at each other there. Well, needless to say, as soon as I closed the circuit there, boom, big electric shock. And to make matters a little bit worse or more sensitive to me, my wife witnessed everything. And then, of course, I became, all these jokes about what kind of engineer I am and how I do something as stupid as this. And anyway, so that was my most recent embarrassment with motorcycles. There are many, they happen often, and this is just the most recent one. Anyway, I'm gonna end the video here. Hope everybody's doing well, wherever you are, anywhere in the world. Greetings to everybody, and the next trip now is going to be next weekend, as I said, going to Death Valley. We're going to stay at the Longstreet, I think it's called Longstreet Casino in Nevada. We're not going to be riding on dirt. There will be a few guys in GS's and adventure bikes, but the whole route is going to be on paved roads. We may actually rent some dirt bikes here and there and do something like this, but the plan is to stay on paved roads on this trip to Death Valley. So that's it. Everybody stay safe, ride well, see you soon, and take care. Bye.